Hey everybody, it's Jimmy here with True Homes, and I'm in Stonebridge Fairways in Mineral Springs, North Carolina, about halfway between Waxhaw and Monroe. I'm standing in front of a Brodrick. This is a ranch floor plan, one of our more popular plans. It's 3,243 square feet with a loft and a bedroom upstairs as well. It has 3 bedrooms, 3 full baths. Let's go inside and take a look. All right, this is the Brodrick. It is still under construction. It's nearly completed, so keep that in mind. This front yard and the backyard will be completely sodded. Check out this beautiful front porch with the stone water table, hardy plank siding. All of our homes at Stonebridge Fairways have hardy board siding. They also have 30-year architectural roof shingles. And keep in mind, there is cardboard down on the floor right now covering up the sustainable laminate flooring. But take a look at this wide entryway. The Brodrick has a really large footprint, so it's a really wide home, about 46 feet wide. Has a nice sized bedroom right here in the front of the house. And then here's a bath, full bath, with a dual sink vanity and a walk-in shower. Linen closet. And here's the laundry room. And the garage is right here towards the front of the home. So this is a 2-car garage with a 4-foot bump out. All right, as we continue on into the house, got a large dining room. Here's a look at the great room. Let's go through the dining room into the kitchen because we'll have to pass through the butler's pantry. So the butler's pantry, you get cabinets and counter space here on one side, and then you get a really deep walk-in pantry over here. Here we are in the kitchen. So this is the refrigerator panel right here. We have an extended overhang island. Beautiful quartz counters. It's a gourmet kitchen as well with a double oven. And this one has an electric range with a vent hood. And a really pretty gray subway tile backsplash. And here is your dining nook. So you've got room for a large table in here. You also have the oversized kitchen island, and you have a formal dining room, so plenty of spaces to eat. This is the great room right here. Has a gas fireplace. There's lots of options in here too. We do standard 9-foot ceilings. What I've seen a lot of people do in this home and other ranches is opt for the 10-foot ceilings. And when you do the 10-foot ceilings with the coffer in the ceiling, that is really impressive. So here we are in the primary bedroom. You'll notice the tray ceiling. And then the sitting room. Everyone loves this. On the Brodrick and the Montcrest, the majority of people that I've seen have opted for the sitting room option. So by design, by the floor plan, this is actually an additional bedroom, but most people opt to open it up and make it into a sitting room. And you can see there's lots of windows, lots of natural light. This one has a stunning view too. That's one of the tee boxes on the golf course at Stonebridge Golf Course. Let's take a look out here on the back porch. So you can access the back porch from the primary bedroom, from the breakfast nook, and from the great room. Here's a look at the golf course. Here's a look at the back of the home. Beautiful rear elevation. I love the cedar shake there. Really large covered porch. And the people building this home opted to get concrete poured for a large patio. That's one of the things that we do that is really very affordable here as well. Concrete's only $5 per square foot. So it's really affordable to do an extended patio. That is August 2024 pricing. All right, now in the primary bathroom, you get 2 walk-in closets, one on either side. Luxury shower with a seating bench, tile from the floor to the ceiling, a water closet, and a dual sink vanity. Keep in mind, mirrors will be installed. This home, like I said, it's nearing completion, but it is still under construction. Closing is slated about a month out, so there's still some work to do. And now we'll take a look upstairs. And you got a nice big loft here. So this will make a great game room or second living space. This could even be an apartment for someone. Got a huge deep closet right here. So lots of storage. Full bath, like I said, still under construction. Single sink vanity. And then a bedroom here. Really big bedroom. And a deep closet. This is almost like having another primary upstairs. So there you have it, folks. That is a look at the Brodrick. Like I said, it's a 3-bedroom, 3 full bath home, over 3,200 square feet. It's a ranch home, but has an upstairs finished as well. If you're interested in this floor plan or any of our other floor plans that we build at True Homes, let me know. You can contact me directly at 704-313-8514. Email me at JGrappone at TrueHomesUSA.com. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on a future video. Take care.